What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a little trick I learned when signing new art pieces, and that's just to turn your signature into a brush. So real quick, just smash that like button so more people see this video, subscribe, and let's get to it. So you want to create a new canvas and you want to make sure it's pretty big so we can scale the brush up and down later without losing resolution. So you want a pretty big canvas and you just want to open a new layer and you just want to write your signature. All right. And then you want to go up to Edit, Define Brush Presets. And you can see over here what it's going to look like in the brush palette, and you just want to name it Brush Signature or whatever you want to name it. You want to click OK. So now you can, obviously you can see the brush here. When you open your brush palette, your new signature preset is there. And then, so now you have your brush, and wherever you want to sign your piece, you just go to that location and you sign. And you have your signature, and you would just use that over and over in all your pieces to make it easy so you don't have to keep doing it over and over and over again. The same thing with your logo. This is my old logo. You want to make sure it's pretty big on the canvas. Again, for scaling purposes, you want to go to Edit, Define Brush Presets, and then you want to name it Logo. And now, as you can see, now we have a logo we can put anywhere on a new piece, and without having to go through your files, without having to search through your entire computer for, your logo. You have it as a brush. It's already in Photoshop. You don't have to go far. You just click on the brush and you paste it. Also, if you're going to post on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and you want to add a watermark to your images, you can do the same thing with this. You just take your logo, place it over your image, and you can lower the opacity. And now you have a piece that's watermarked, and people will know it's your image when they see it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to run through this quick tutorial that I thought would be useful. Now you have your own signature, your own logo as a brush that you can use to sign your next pieces. So I hope you like this video. Leave a like if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one.